Hello YouTube, Blue CFL here. Here are two devices I got in the mail recently. Acme Fire Alarm Company vibrating bells. There are no tags or other type of labels on here regarding the model number or the date of manufacture. There's just a little bit of writing, as you can see right there on the left side of that coil. 110 volts. These are 110 volt AC bells. Obviously work on 115, 120 as well, depending on how you like thinking of the electrical system here. Runs at about 120 at my house. The one on the right is currently working, the one on the left does not. Cosmetically though, the one on the right doesn't look as good as the one on the left. I just have the cover off so you can see the internals. I've got it all hooked up, so I just have to push the little button here and you'll hear it ring. It's actually not as loud as I thought it would be. I thought it would be louder. I would like to get this other one working as well and do a little demonstration of that. The frequency may be a little different. You can do that, you'll hear a little ding. Do that, you'll hear a little ding. So there may be a little bit of a frequency difference there. I'm not too sure, but I would like to get it working. Hopefully next week or the week after. I do have to do a demonstration at the pole station as well, so hopefully that'll be up next week. Thank you for watching, and Blue CFL out.